Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends and guests, this is Mr. Abdul Azim Wahid Durrani, the principal of Vision International Academy. I find myself blessed to be a principal of a school which is only established for Huffaz, those who learn Holy Quran by heart, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has chosen their heart to keep the Holy Quran safeguarded. This is one arena where those who are blessed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can look forward to support these Huffaz to join modern schooling along with the retention of their Holy Quran so that they can prove themselves to be a potential global citizen once they are mainstream to higher education. Since 2017, Vision International Academy under the leadership of our founder and chairman Amir Ahmad Sahab has been able to mainstream 114 Huffaz, of which a few of them are taking MBBS programs, business management programs, administrative professional programs, medicine and paramedical programs. This is what we are looking forward, and we are a drop in the ocean. If we get friends like you to shoulder the responsibility, very many Vision International Academy will be able to impact very many Huffaz. Thank you.